grab this beautiful tomahawk, make that pocket, and continue. We have our beautiful tomahawk steak here, which we previously made a nice pocket in, and we're gonna dip this in the beautiful butter we have ready. Oh yeah, just like that. One more. Come back in here, grab ourselves some barbecue spices, dump them in there, and repeat the process. One more. Okay. Alright guys, now we're going to take this here, place it on our cutting board, go ahead and open up our pocket, get some of these nice onions and bell peppers, stuff them in there. One more big spoon. Get them all the way inside as much as you can. Get yourself some wooden skewers. We're gonna close this baby up nice. Make sure it goes through both sides. There we go. Alright guys, let's make this happen. Go ahead and get a little salt. And we continue buttering up the steak here. Give it a flip. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay. Let's add a little butter. Salt. Alright guys, now that both our sides are nicely crispy, we're going to go ahead and sit it on its side a minute. Get that fat. And now that our meat is perfectly seared on both sides, we're going to go ahead and finish off our side so we can enjoy this meal. I have my sweet potatoes here. We're going to give them a little smash gently. Roll it once all the way. There you go. Grab yourself a little knife. Right down the middle. Pop it open. With the help of the knife, just go ahead and open that up. Beautiful. Grab yourself some butter. And we're going to put it right inside. There we go. Get yourself a few marshmallows. And stick them in there beautifully. There we go. Stick them in there, guys. There. Now we're gonna go ahead and grab this, flip it over, give it about 10 seconds. Now it should be just about ready. And I'll flip it back over. Beautiful. Look at that. Now, for a final touch, we're going to go ahead and add some pecans in there. And when this is nice and ready, we're going to bring it over with the others. Slide it on there. Take these out, take that off, go ahead and get rid of this bone here, set it there for later.